Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are doing a Halloween look, and this look is going to be giving you nature goddess vibes. I went to Fry's, which is part of the Kroger family of stores, and I picked up some things that we'll be needing for the look. I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this nature goddess look. I am starting with Maybelline 24-hour foundation, and this is a full coverage foundation. I am using coconut, and I opted for a full coverage because I do want to cover my brows. Now I'm going to be using L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Multi-Use Concealer, and I'm using the color Dark W7 through 8. We're really only using concealer on the under eye area because we're gonna do a heavier contour, so we want that area to really pop. So I'm setting the under eye area with a powder. The rest of my face and my neck, I'm going to be covering it with the translucent powder. I'm using a color from Maybelline's Soda Pop palette. This color is Root Beer. So when you contour, you want to make sure you're creating a really nice cheekbone. So it's important to, suck in, do the little kissy face, the fishy face, and then also you want to hit the perimeters of your face. My forehead as well, even though my hair is covering up a good portion of where I normally contour the nose because we want this to look really deep. So from the side of the nose and the eyebrow. I'm gonna take the color Tonic from the same palette and just go midway down the nose. Take my finger and blend it out. And I'm gonna grab a little bit on my finger just to highlight the tip of the nose. As for the eyebrows, you're gonna want anything that is glittery. You could use a glitter liquid liner or a glitter mascara. I wanted to opt for something that wasn't too far from my skin tone just so it blends well, but I can see this looking really gorgeous with like a lilac glitter or a blue glitter. I feel like you can do so much. Even a green glitter. But I just wanted to make sure whatever I use kind of match the flowers that are in my hair. So whatever shrubbery you are putting in your hair, I feel like your eyebrows should kind of complement that. That looks really cool, right? Taking Soda Piss from this same palette, we're gonna add some drama. I'm basically going to put that glittery shimmery color on our temples just for extra glow. Also want to use that same color as your highlight. Now I'm going to add Root Beer to the crease of the eye. So I'm going into Root Beer with a wet brush just for more vivid color. On the lid only. Kind of smoke out the lower lash. Taking an ingot brush, I'm going into Ginger Ale, applying that right below my waterline. Using CoverGirl's Lash Blast Fusion, we're gonna go in with a light hand, mainly focusing on the lower lashes. The look is coming together. We're gonna finish it off with L'Oreal's Sienna Supreme lipstick. Really pretty. We're gonna highlight the Cupid's bow with Tonic. And we're gonna do a pretty dramatic Cupid's bow highlight. Place some on the inner corners of your eyes as well, because you do want to illuminate. Okay, so I've changed my top. So now we're gonna start with the nails because your face is made up. You definitely don't want to neglect your hands when it comes to a beautiful Halloween look. So what I'm gonna do is take a bit of Soda Fizz and I'm gonna just pretty much tap it on my knuckles. Let's not forget about the nails. Today I'm using Sally Hansen's Insta Dry, and this is also available at Fry's, or you can shop it at any of your Kroger family of stores. Now, what's so cool about the Sally Hansen Insta Dry is the fact that it's gonna dry in 60 seconds. This color is Slick Slate. That's it for my Nature Goddess look. Stop by a Kroger family of stores to stock up on all the products that you need to give this look a try. And don't forget to download your digital coupons.